Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
All good. Just one second. I'm opening the essay. We're going to look at the essay also. And yeah, you
Mhm.
tell me about the reading. How did it go?
I messaged Jessica. I was not able to open that link. I create the account, but it wasn't sending
Hmm.
me any what do you call the activation email.
Mm-hmm.
So I tried two different emails, but I wasn't
Hmm.
getting an activation email.
No, you might have received it on the email ID that you are actually putting over there. You
Yeah,
definitely received
I
it.
haven't received it. That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
So
do
I
you want to
thought,
check now?
yeah,
Do you want to
I
just
checked the spam account, I checked the junk, nothing.
okay?
Because I tried my uni account as well, the email,
Mm-hmm.
still it hasn't come because I thought it might be a problem with my email, but even for the university account, it hasn't.
That's world famous YouTube star and certified chaos magnet. Yeah, we're gonna have lots of cute and top secrets. Rosia, fashion queen and self-declared CEO of Cool. And tons of variety, the and the top part. Kate, science whiz with a habit of accidentally inventing disasters. Are we gonna do blade reports or pillow reports? Or bad that later. Yeah, what is the most important thing in a sleepover? Safety. Quentin, former Green Beret, so he's not afraid to work with them. What are you doing? And you're too old here. Are you serious? We don't need burgers can come in and rob you.
Okay, I again did that and I received the
Mhm.
link. So all
Okay.
good.
It's okay.
Okay, you received it. Just check whether you are able to join.
Yeah, I have joined. So now
Hmm.
I'm on the page called set up your study plan, but
Hmm.
it's not scrolling down. So I select the which level I'm in, IELTS academic, and
Can
I
you
want
share?
to.
Can you share the screen?
Okay, how I'm gonna share the screen. Okay, um, how I'm gonna share the screen is not okay. Can you see my screen now?
1 second.
Is that all? What
No,
is
not
that?
yet. Loading.
Wow, what is that? There are lots of pages. Can you
Hmm.
see it?
Yeah, now I can see. Yeah, just do anything random. It's nothing like important. Main you need to get into the test. Hmm.
Okay. All right. I don't know how to stop presenting. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm in. So which one should I do it? Like uh, pre-IELTS, academic general, academic, IELTS academic. Okay.
Academic, yeah.
So it has few practice 12 exercises, and 3 practice tests. Is that what I should be doing?
Hmm.
Okay.
Just one second.
Are you sure? We'll recognize it? Yeah, it's fun. You got pepperoni or cheese? Doesn't matter. Everything matters. Everything.
All right. I'll play with it, to be honest, because it's pretty new one. So I'll try to have a look.
Okay, so you will come up with the queries on Friday after you have attempted one test, right?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, all right. Let's check the essay. The essay is pretty good today. The only thing, we'll just look at the minor errors. I think some proofreading was not done. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, first of all, only this first statement always goes a little incorrect. You can write the given bar chart uh, illustrates the release of pollutants. Okay, and not like this, not the other way. That in the UK, cars, buses, vans, and trucks released millions of tons of polluted air.
Okay.
Okay, you can write the given bar chart illustrates the release of pollutants, millions of pollutants, uh, or the release of tons of polluted air uh, in UK from the cars, buses, vans, and trucks between 2000 and 2020, like that. I mean,
Okay.
this should come here,
Mm-hmm.
and then this like till here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then UK cars. Okay.
Okay. My timing is definitely out. Like to finish this too, it took me 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Okay. Now try to keep an alarm and do it in a way that you do not go beyond that, because as you will get that much time for your test.
I know. Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta play some really nice sports. You already know that.
From the cars, buses, vans, and trucks in the UK between 2000 and 2020. Okay, see, this is going good. Highest amount of polluted air during the 20 years. Furthermore, buses produce the least amount of polluted air. See, this has also improved. I'm quite happy with this. In 2010, cars released 2.1, that was extra zero point 0.5 MMT compared to 2000. However, after the next 10 years, okay. However, after 2010, next 10 years, what's this? This statement goes little incorrect. Now just read it once.
However, after 2010, next 10 years or so, I was trying to say from
Mhm.
in 2020. So the next 20, it has increased. Next 10 years, car air pollution reached a
So you
lower
can
of,
simply write after 2 decades.
okay.
Huh.
The pollution reached a lower of 0.2% MMT.
After 2 decades, car pollution from cars reached air pollution from cars reached a lower of 0.2 mmT in the 2020. Then started with trucks.
Yeah. In 2020, trucks generated contaminated air at around,
Mm.
so it should be
This should
full
be
stop
something.
and
Yeah,
in
yeah.
capital.
Whereas trucks generated contaminated air at around this much, which was comparable with the air pollution. Now, comparable means what?
Comparing.
As compared to, are you saying as compared to?
Yeah. So it's pretty much similar amount.
Okay.
I'm trying to say it's
Terrible. Then it
what,
is similar. If it is,
yeah, similar.
ha, which was similar to the air pollution from cars in 2010. Okay. In 2010, the cars was this much, and this is similar to what? This is not similar. No, there is a difference between cars and trucks. So I don't think so.
No,
It
in
is
2010. Ah,
in
what
2010.
2020? No, 2020 and a 2010. So the trucks in 2020,
Mhm.
in 2020, trucks generated contaminated air around 2.75 mmT, which was similar to air pollution from cars in 2010. So two
Cars in
different
2010 and trucks in 2020.
20.
Okay, yeah, correct.
I think, does it require a comma after
No.
2.75 mm? Yeah. Oh, still not.
Okay, whereas in 2020, uh, 20, the trucks generated contaminated air at
Can we
around.
say, because the trucks is plural, can we say the trucks? I did
Okay,
not know that. I'm just,
no, yeah, the is nothing. There's no rule for the. I mean, you can add the with the plural things also.
okay.
But I don't think so that is required over here. In 2020, trucks generated contaminated air at around 2.5 mm, which was similar to the air pollution from cars in 2010. Moreover, okay, till here it is correct, which rose up to what? Raised up to this much decline. Okay, the rest is correct. I'll just check over there.
Why Rose is wrong? Because you,
In 2000, buses created zero point 0.5 ton, and then it raised up to, when you talk about up to, then you write raised up to.
uh-huh.
What is this?
So see, it was actually the problem that I was having. So I
Hmm.
was actually thinking, first of all, when I wrote it, I was using have been instead of just a past tense. So like the one is moreover from 2000 to 2020, within 20 years, contaminated air from the trucks have been significantly increased.
No, have been. have been increasing significantly.
So when we
Been is
use
used for
have been,
ing things.
ing.
Yes.